So today we're going to make salads and we're going to make fonio salads. And I love this because once you make this, it goes into your fridge. You just take it and you're just good to go. You can just eat it. It fills you up so well. It's also lighter. It's quicker to make. It's good for your digestion. And most importantly, like it's very tasty. That's the most important thing. What is food without good taste? So to make this, I'm beginning it with some salt, half teaspoon of salt. I'm pouring my cup of water into it, another cup of water into it, because I want my fonio to be very well cooked and soft in there. I'm going to let this come to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, then I'm going to inculcate my fonio. So this DIM fonio grown with organic AKS fertilizer, which I'm going to pour just half cup of it in, cover it up, let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm then going to turn off my heat. Yes, because I'm using a hot plate and there's enough heat on it. So at this point, make sure that once it comes to a boil, you also adjust the lid of your saucepan so that it doesn't boil over. And at this point, it is virtually done. So yes, this is all done and I'll need this to cool up. Yes, this is a bit liquid or a bit runny because fonio absorbs water. Fonio becomes more dry once it cools down. And I wanted to have it a bit more moist because I was going to keep it in the fridge and use it as a cold salad. I added in just a little bit of salted butter to give you a bit of texture in the fonio as well. Then for my vegetables, I'm going to do a salt water bath and I'm going to wash all the vegetables I'm going to use for the salad. So to make the salad, I'm using first and foremost some rucola or any preferred greens you want, whether you want to use dandelion. I would always recommend light green leaves or green. Yes, those would be better. This is rucola. Rucola, if you've not tried it before, you should definitely have a try of it. And then I'm going to wash my carrots, some onions, and tomatoes. Very necessary in this recipe. Very simple salad recipe you can make as well. So once this is done washing, I'm now going to go and I'm going to grate the carrots. Now this one is already small pieces. So the grated carrot kind of gives you a better option than the chopped, but you can also chop it if you want to add texture. Make sure that it's very small or finely chopped if you want to go with a chopped version. So I love to just grate the carrots, which gives me that good vibrance or good texture for the salad in there as well. You can use any color of carrot you want to use. And if you don't want to use carrots, you want to use beets, you can also use beetroot in as well if you'd want that option. So once that is there, I'm going to do this in two ways. The first style is I'm just going to put some of the rucola into my serving dish, pour my carrots over it, and then this is also going to go in there. I'm just scooping a little bit for garnishing. Then the other one, I'm just mixing it all up all together from the word go. So yes, those are different ways you can actually serve your salad recipes with the fonio. Now, once that is that, I put that aside and I'm going to chop my onions. Yes, I want to do this to be not overly big, not overly small, because I would want to have that crunch in there, but I want to have it in a very like a blend well. Yes. So the fonio, like I keep mentioning, fonio comes in smaller grains, so you don't need things which are overly big and chunky in there as well. So the onion is going to add that zestiness in there. If you don't want onion, you can use spring onions. So if you don't want to use a whole onion, you can use spring onions, you can use red onions, any type of onion, that is okay. For the tomatoes, we're going to cut it into two or into four, depending on the sizes you have. So I decided to do it into four, which makes it smaller and cuter in there as well. And for the tomatoes, we're going to do it in two ways. So there's one we're going to do like this, and then the other one, we're going to just squeeze it all into it. So that is other ways to also inculcate your tomatoes as well. So once this is done, I'm going to pour in all the onion and then the tomatoes into the mixed bowl. So the mixed bowl, we're mixing everything in all at once. But for the other one, we are technically kind of assembling it so that we're not mixing with the fonio in all together all at once. Yes. So once this is all mixed up in there, at this point, our fonio was sitting somewhere cooling down and it had cooled very well. Yes, because of the moisture, because of the butter, it's a bit not overly like grainy one. But I like it like this because this is a cold salad we're going to do. And this, we're going to mix it into our leaves. Everything goes in there. So this is like one way to have your fonio salad. Yes, and this is great served cold. So once it's done, you can put this in your fridge and you can eat it once it's cold. This is a cold salad which you would enjoy most in that way. You can add some salad dressing to it. Yes, usually anything which is mustard based pairs very well with this as well, and it's going to add in more moisture to it as well for you, and that gives you that nice texture when you're eating it when it's cold. Yes, but it's optional. And if you want to use oils instead, maybe you want to use olive oil with some spice in, you can do that as well. That also goes in very well. So I love to serve this in my lunch bowl. Yes, and then I usually like this to eat after lunch, or like a early supper or late supper something, or if you just want to eat this as a whole meal like for breakfast or for lunch, that also works very well. But we're not done with this. You're going to serve this obviously with some hard boiled eggs as well. So for the other type, the one I was assembling, I just poured in the fonio base, then I'm going to just kind of mash in tomatoes into it. Tomatoes will give it some sort of more wetness in there, more moisture in there, and it also gives you very good taste in there as well, because tomatoes are a bit acidic, so that also gives you some nice touch of acidity to your fonio. And I'm just mixing this all up in there to give it that moisture. So this is very moist kind of salad if you want this type. And I also loved this because the taste profiles were a bit different, and it's also great as a cold salad. Yes. So once you're done, you're going to mix it together with the rest of the tomatoes and the onions we actually reserved, and this gives you that moistness in there. And like I said, you can add some salad dressing, and anyone which has mustard base is also a good alternative. I'm just going to mix this up, and then we're going to inculcate it into already pre-served one, which we did, which is the rucola with the tomatoes, with the onions, with the carrots, and this is just going to go to the centerpiece because this is the centerpiece which is going to make it all worth it in there. So this, like I said, these are wet salads which are best served cold. Yes, and you can keep this in your fridge for 1 to 3 days. You can have it at any time of the day. I love to serve it with some hard-boiled eggs, with some black pepper kind of, sprinkled over it. It gives it that good texture, good taste, good, everything. It pairs everything perfectly together. So this is like the fonio salad recipes you should be trying. And this is super, super good, super tasty, super healthy. And what I love about it the most is that it fills you up. So once you eat this, you're going to be so full. You're not going to feel hungry early. And that is a good alternative, especially if you want to check your weight, or if you're diabetic, or if you're an nursing mom, you want to eat healthy, but you don't want to go overly big and stuff, then this is like the recipe for you. If you did finish watching this video and you want to get very good quality fonio to buy, this is the one I would recommend. And you can reach out to Acres Food and you can have this delivered to you anywhere in Ghana. You just have to just call the sales team, or you can send a WhatsApp to the sales team as well, and you can actually reach out for wholesale and retail as well. And I hope you would get your sample to be able to use as well. I see you in that next food video. I'm going to be eating more for you. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.